Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to start the day by being thankful. This is the time of year when I get a little bit depressed because of the shortness of the days and sometimes the lack of sunshine. The last couple of weeks has really been dark out in the morning, and I haven't gotten to see much sunshine, especially this last week where it was raining almost every day this last week, and it was just difficult to get up every day and be inside all day and then come out and have it be cloudy. And so I decided this was a good time to start with being thankful, because you can't be thankful and be depressed at the same time. The first thing, because I am a strong believer in faith as well, I want to reach out in faith and be thankful for the fact that my name is written in the Lamb's Book of Life. In Luke 10:20 it says, "Rejoice not that you can cast out demons, but rejoice that your names are written in the book of heaven." And so I wanted to start out being thankful with something that, we can't necessarily see or reach out and touch. We have to believe. And there will be things that that we can touch and see and feel and hear along the way in this journey. But I wanted to start out with that because it's very important to me that I reach out in faith. God always gives us that opportunity of faith versus doubt. Faith on this hand, doubt on this end. And faith and doubt can't exist in the same space. So that's pretty much what I want to be thankful for today. I'm going to show you some clips of what we have in my little indoor garden here, and then that'll be my video for the day. I'd love to hear the things that you're grateful for in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to check out the free TubeBuddy link in the description box below and download it, because it helps a lot. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. Now, on to the garden. Okay, somewhere along the line, this one didn't get enough water. So, we are working on the 3rd round of Brussels sprouts in the pot. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty dry in here, so in order to make sure that I have enough water, I'm going to go ahead and pre-moisten this before I even go to planting. And then I'm going to put this one in that I have had sitting in water. I'm going to cover that up, and then I'm going to put water in on top of that and see how we do. The onions look pretty good. The kids planted these for Mommy, and I believe these are the zinnias, and these over here are the calendulas. So we're going to keep track of these too and find out what find out if we can get some flowers for Mommy before the end of winter. The Brussels sprout in the hydroponics is doing very well. I'm loving that.